Hey everyone! Have you noticed how those cozy, snowing, and rainy day videos keep popping up all over Instagram and TikTok? Did you know that some of these videos get millions of views every single day? People just can't get enough of this content. Still, these types of videos generate huge amounts of views and people monetize these videos too. At first I thought, aren't these videos kind of old now? Who's still watching them? But here's the crazy part, they're still going viral. In fact, some of these videos get millions of views on TikTok and Instagram every single day. So I started digging into why these videos are still so popular. And guess what? They're incredibly easy to make. And the best part? You don't need any fancy software or editing skills. With this new AI tool, you can create these cozy vibe videos in just a few clicks, and it's 100% free. I'll show you how it's done at the end. This method I'm about to share has not been told to anyone before. Other YouTubers only show to edit these videos in some Photoshop alternative tool, cut their windows, and add snow or rain behind them. They are only showing typical methods to make these videos. But I have a new AI method which nobody has told you before. So if you're ready to make your own viral, cozy videos, stick around because we're going to dive right in and show you how it's done. Alright, to make these cozy videos, you'll need 4 things. Don't worry, my friend. They're all free. Not a single dollar will cost you. Step 1. A cozy bedroom scene. First, we'll need a cozy bedroom or a luxurious-looking setup. For this, we'll use Animating to create a perfect bedroom scene image. Sign up for an account, and you'll get 150 free points daily. That's more than enough to create high-quality images. I've already crafted a prompt to make a bedroom scene. I'll include it in the description so you can just copy, paste, and tweak it to fit your needs. AI will generate stunning results. If you're not happy with them, refine the prompt or try a different model. Experiment until you're satisfied. Once you've got your image, upscale it for a sharper, more polished look. Then download it, and boom! Your cozy scene is ready. Step 2. ChatGPT for the magic touch. We'll use ChatGPT to turn that image into a dreamy, lifelike video. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt based on your image. Something like, describe this image as if it's a calm, cozy evening in a luxurious bedroom. I'll leave an example in the description for you. Refine the output to match the vibe you want. ChatGPT will provide the prompt. If you want something to change, you can do it manually. Step 3. Bring this image to the life. Here's where the real magic happens. We'll use hailuo.ai to turn the image into a video. This is a brand new Chinese AI tool that almost no one knows about. It's one of the most powerful for AI video creation, delivering incredible results. And you'll see why in just a moment. Sign up with your Gmail account. New users get a 3-day free trial with 1,000 points, which is plenty to start. After the trial, you'll still get 100 free points daily, letting you create up to 3 videos every day. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can use them to sign up into this tool and try more 3 days. Once logged in, find the image to video option, upload your image, paste your ChatGPT prompt, and let the tool work its magic. If you see a waiting message, don't worry, it's normal.
A few moments later.
Once the video is generated, you'll be amazed at how realistic and smooth it looks. You can recreate the video by changing the prompt by here. Step 4. Final touches in CapCut. The video will be short, around 6 seconds, but we can stretch it to 10 seconds and make it pop using CapCut, a free editing tool. Import your video into CapCut, adjust the speed to slow it down, and enhance the colors to make it more vibrant. Add effects for that extra wow factor. Play around with some more enhancements. You can add sound effects behind it. Like here, I will put a soothing fire sound effect. And we'll add calm music behind it. I will lower the volume of music, and you are done. Here's the result we made. This is insane, right? Final part. Posting your masterpiece. Now, take your video to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. For the sake of this video, I will just post it on TikTok to get you a rough idea. Write a simple caption, and add 3 to 4 hashtags. That's it! Your first video is uploaded. If you create and post at least 30 of these videos, you're bound to go viral sooner or later. Your page could hit millions of views in no time. There are creators to put their affiliate link or their own online store link here. They are selling these simple stuff to make extra money into their pocket, or they sell these pages for thousands of dollars. Once you start, you will find more ways to generate money. That's it for this video. I will come back with more video ideas. Till now, enjoy, have fun with life, and leave the like and subscribe to the channel.